Hello YouTube, StatJunta75 here with Panini Prizm Fastbreak Basketball 2019-2020. I have really good luck with this product. It's starting to go up now that Zion's going to be playing this week. So, probably might be my last box. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, because the prices are just starting to get ridiculous on all the Zion product. So, still trying to get one of his autos out of here. I got the RJ Barrett. A Ja or him would be great. Can't get everything, so we'll see. The autos usually suck out of these, but I do good with the Fastbreak Prizms and the other Prizms of that nature. So we'll see how we do. All right, let's get to ripping. Wish me luck. This is box break number 8, I think. Pretty sure. Right off the bat, got a red. Could that be a Zion? Imagine. Oh, Jackson Hayes. It's a rookie red. That's cool, as long as it's a rookie. Number to 125. Hey, there we go. Joe Harris and Yao Ming. All right, good start. Good start to the box. Let's hope it continues. Let's hope we don't get garbage. All right, let's see here. All right, see a Prizm, see a Fastbreak Prizm. Jalen Hands, base rookie. Wendell Carter Jr., second year, Fastbreak Prizm. Insert, nice. Kevin Knox, second year. Eric Paschal, rookie. Let's see. Fireworks, Steph Curry, the right Curry. Nice. Kevin Huerta. Shaq. Purple man, wow. Ooh, no, yeah, oh no, no rookie. Who is it? Clyde the Glide, numbered to 75. That's cool. Like Clyde Drexler, grew up watching him a lot. A lot of people make fun of me, like, oh, you don't know nothing about basketball. I haven't watched recently. You know, I do got to get back into it more. I've more been just getting into the cards for investment. I did used to watch predominantly back in the Jordan era. Larry Bird and Jordan were my two favorites. You know, in the 80s, grew up in the 80s, of course. So I could have told you anything about basketball then, but after Jordan retired, I kind of stopped watching. I'm not much of a LeBron fan. I know I'm going to get hated on for that, but I think Jordan is the GOAT, and I'll continue to say that argument. Hopefully with all my investment in him, Zion will be the next GOAT, but we'll see what happens. I'm trying to, you know, get back into it a little bit. I don't have much time. I work full-time, so I'm not just, you know, this is just like a hobby on the side. So a lot of people are like, oh, you're falling asleep during your breaks too. Yeah, I work full-time and I got 2 kids. Excuse me for being human. So I try to keep these videos out here for you guys if you like them or not. I can stop doing it if you don't like them. I'll just go back to statues because I know a lot of people want me to do that. But I like doing this. I like the sports cards. So there you have it. There's my answer to all the comments. And, oh, Montrez, not Montrezl. You know, I know how to say the names too. Bunch of smart-ass trolls. Anyway, Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Derek White, silver. 5-head Derek White, silver. Larry Bird, Larry Legend. Speaking of the legend, far out insert. All right, let's get a Zion. Or a Ja. Oh, it's upside down. They're always upside down. It's a rookie. Whoa. Oh, Kiki. Okay. Still, it's a rookie. I'll take that. Not the biggest rookie. 175. I'm actually getting on the jaw train more often. He's been playing amazing. Ice Tray, jaw. Luca. Dying to get a Luca Silva too. Josh Okigi. Darius Baisley base. And this guy. Fastbreak Prizm. Clyde the Glide regular. Got another upside down. Looks like an insert of some sort. It's a widescreen. James Harden. Okay. Quinn Cook. KZ Okbala. Let's see, what's a number 2? Not numbered at all. Widescreen, James Harden. Wendell Carter Jr., second year. All right, halfway point. Kelly Olynyk, Eric Bledsoe, Darius Garland, rookie, base. Fireworks, James Harden. It would be so nice if they had the rights to Jordan. That would be amazing. Silly upper deck, hoarding Jordan all to themselves. Sacrilege to see Pippen flashback cards and not Jordan. Kevin Porter Jr. Mr. That guy. Allen Iverson, Otto Porter Jr. It's one more. Donovich. Yao Ming. Fastback Prizm. Fast Break Prizm. Can't speak English. Ooh, is that a gold? Oh my god, it's a gold luck of the lottery. Holy shit, Tyler Herro too. Cam Reddish gold luck of the lottery. Wow. Pretty sure it's gold. Got a Tyler Herro base. Wow. Is it gold? Huh. It looks gold, but maybe that's just a Hawks color. Guess it's not gold. Just a fast break Prizm. That's a letdown. I mean, it's still a good card, but would have much rather the gold number to 10. Ugh, what's a letdown? Way to break my heart, Panini. Which you do oh so often. Cody Mountain base rookie. Wendell Carter Jr. autograph. Second year auto. I'll take that. And a Sekou Doumbouya. Most people can't say his name. Fast break Prizm. Nice. No way. It's numbered to 20. That's some kind of color? Oh, wow. What? Anybody in the comments? Why is this numbered to 20? Is that his jersey number? No. What color is that? Is that... Fast break Prizms normally aren't numbered. My Zions aren't. Wow, I wonder what that is. It's like a rust color. I wonder if that's like super rare. Holy shit. What a box. I have such luck. And that was right behind a Wendell Carter Jr. autograph. I have good luck this year with Fastbreak. I'm buying more boxes of this. I don't care how much it goes up to. Holy shit. And a Luca. Is it a Prizm? No. Wow. Prizm right in front of the Luca. And it's a Prizm Darius Baisley rookie. Now, let's see if this is numbered. This isn't numbered. Wow, what's going on with that? It is kind of a different color. It's like a rust. Look at that. It's like a rust, kind of. On that Sekou. Oh, my God. I think that's a big card. I got his purple Pulsar, too. I've been really lucky with him. I hope he blows up. Hope he keeps playing good. Man. Got his purple Pulsar numbered to like 25, and now this numbered to 20. Holy shit. What a box. We're not even done. Nitilakina. And a Brandon Clark silver rookie. Wow, and a fearless Giannis Fastbreak. This box is on fire. Guys. Wow, I thought the box that I got the Fastbreak Zion, Prizm, and then the Silver Ja in the same box. I thought that was on fire. Well, that is pretty much hot too. But this box had, wow, we're going to have, oh jeez, we're going to have to do a review at the end of this. This is crazy. Wilt the Stilt. Wow, 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 wow. I can't believe how good this box is. We got 2 packs left. Could have been the last 2-pack mojo. Oh my God. Ah, there's a red. Imagine if that's a Zion or a Ja. I would just fall over. Patrick Ewing. That's a veteran. It's a good veteran. Number 2, 125. Some Knicks fans would like that. Oh, wow. What a box. It's not over yet. There's one last pack. Last pack mojo, guys. Last pack mojo. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. Imagine if that was Zion. No, not quite. Quite. There's a weird curve to this pack. Kevin Looney. Oh my God, a variation. Celtics variation. Romeo Langford. Rookie Fastbreak variation, I think. Look at that. I can't remember what his regular card looks like, I'm pretty sure. Wow, what a box! Last pack mojo. I gotta get some sound effects. Boom! I can't believe this. Let's take some time here. Let's just enjoy this. Let's savor this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wendell Carter Jr. Fastbreak auto. Let's sleeve him up. Top load hit this bad boy. Okay, on to the next big card. I'm going in order that they're in front of me. Brandon Clark, silver rookie. Holy shit. Okay, next card. Oh my God, I want to be so cool. Son of a bitch. Put it too far away to reach. Ooh, doggy, this is amazing. Centered nicely, too. This will be going to PSA for something. If he keeps playing good. Is that like a leopard print or something? I don't know what that rust color is, but it's numbered to 20. Two of 20. On to the next big card. This has just been an epic box. over yet. It's not over yet. This is amazing. Still going. Still going with the big Prizm rookies. Still going. Wow, I can't believe the big hits come out of this box. One box, plus all the base rookies that we got. I don't think we got any of the big three, which is surprising because I always get them. So no Zions, Jazz, or what's his face, AJ. And I got coming in the mail from my breaks. A Zion auto contenders playoff to 75. A Ja auto playoff contenders auto to 99. And an RJ Barrett playoff contenders auto to 99. I got the big three from my breaks. Just, yeah, just getting super freaking lucky lately. Super lucky. All right, let's get these highlights. So, you know, you can see the highlights, the Fearless Giannis, the Luka second-year base, a couple of cool Prizms, Fastbreak Prizms, Silver 5-head over there, James Harden widescreen Fastbreak, and, of course, the Patrick Ewing Fastbreak Prizm. And then we have Clyde the Glide, numbered to 75, Wendell Carter Jr. Fastbreak autograph, second-year autograph, sophomore auto there, Prizm. And then Jackson Hayes Fastbreak Prizm numbered to 125 on the red. Chuma Okeke Fastbreak Blue Prizm numbered to 175. Cam Reddish Fastbreak Prizm Luck of the Lottery base, no numbering on that. Darius Baisley Fastbreak Prizm rookie base. Romeo Langford Variation Fastbreak Prizm rookie. Silver Brandon Clark rookie Prizm. And then this like rust-colored Sekou Doumbouya Fastbreak Prizm rookie numbered to 20. Number 2 of 20. Second off the line. Wow. 2 of 20. That is so cool. Gonna have to look that puppy up and see what that's going for. But yeah, what a freaking break. Just epic proportions here. I'm gonna even get a little thumbnail shot. I'm gonna lay these all out. There's not enough room on my table to get these laid out. Let's get an aerial shot here. Let's get some light. Look at all that Prizm. That is crazy. Thanks for watching, guys. This card right here deserves a big thumbs up. So like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, guys.